Everybody, quick heads up, dudes. Temperature dropped, high pressure. It's about 65 degrees out. Huge groundswell coming in from the north. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna see what we can find. I got a feeling there's gonna be some mahi up on the reef, some big kingfish, cero mackerels. Run that dog with Captain Jeff. Stay tuned. 32 degrees. Getting our muttons, getting our ceros. See, I'm an X-Trap guy. Captain Jeff is a Missouri guy. Now look at this here mackerel. Ain't that pretty? That's cero mackerel. Running that dog with Captain Jeff. The #1 fishing show online, dog. Check that out. Nice. So this right here is a cero mackerel. Much better eating than Spanish mackerel or a kingfish. And they're about as big as they get. Went out there this morning, it was blowing about 20 out of the north, 25 out of the north. It was a little nasty. We're able to pick off a few of these nice macks. They're eating live ballyhoos on the stinger rig, fishing like gentlemen. And I had the one and only Drew Vason with me today, better known as Chicago Drew.
Yeah, that was wild. I've never seen that before.
So that's not normal.
No, that's not normal at all.
It's the bass pro shop?
I just asked you. I'll show you. I'll show you what it is. It's not bad. And I sharpened it, I don't know, 3 weeks ago.
So we're slow trolling the live ballyhoos. We see a little bit of action out there, nothing crazy. And sure enough, I'm gonna pull on that. Sure enough, we started pecking away at them. Then a little later on, we come inshore.
I had to interrupt. It's got a stop button.
Got a stop button.
Start, stop.
That's what you need out here.
Yeah.
But anyway, nothing crazy, but we did get our targeted species. We went out there to get a Cero mackerel, something to eat. We wanted to get some muttons on the troll, like gentlemen. Most of you fools have no clue how to get muttons on the troll. You guys want to peck away at them. A lot of chum, triggerfish, grunts. We're catching them like gentlemen today. And check out that meat. That'd be nice. I knew that was gonna happen. See, the Cero mackerel is a little different. It's got a much whiter, firmer flesh to it. And it's excellent eating. Ceviche. Put it on the grill. Put it in the fryer. It's all good. Dudes, only in Fort Lauderdale. One, can you go out in the middle of the winter and catch fish like this, but then come back $150,000 cleaning table. We got a macerator that goes directly into the city sewage system. Whatever this fancy plastic stuff is. We got switches on that side to turn something on and off. We got switches on this side to turn on the water. Only the finest. You want to live in the best place in the world? Here it is. Only us are sporting $150,000 fish cleaning tables. And if you look just behind me, if you want to come down here and fish off the seawall, a lot of our locals like to do, we got shade, picnic tables. Don't bring your barbecue because they'll arrest you. They will take you to jail down here. Now watch this fish. It's going right into the macerator hole and right into the public sewage system. Watch this here. Look at that. Look in there. Oh!
I got some of my truck. Nope. I don't care.
Pull off.